Let's start cyano compounds. In this video, we will study about cyano compound, what are cyano compound, their preparation and their applications. Welcome to Chemism. Let's start cyano compounds. Cyanoalkane or cyano or alkyl cyanide is given under diagram. What are cyano compounds? Chemical compounds that contain this cyanide group. This group known as cyano group consists of carbon atom that is attached to nitrogen along with triple bonds. Organic cyanides are generally called adnitriles. Their general formula is also given in the screen. You can see here preparation of cyano compound is given as first one is from alkyl halides. Using alkyl halide we can prepare cyano compounds. First one is simply alkyl halides on heating with ethanolic solution of sodium or potassium cyanide from alkyl cyanide. You can see the reaction is here under. First one is simply we have used alkyl halide along with potassium cyanide, that is alcoholic. On heating we have prepared cyanide compound. Second one is ethyl bromide along with reacted with potassium cyanide alcoholic under heat, and we get cyano compound. Second one is from acid amide. Pure nitriles are obtained by distilling acid amides with phosphorus pentaoxide or thionyl chloride. Here the reaction is given as in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide and the removal of water we get cyanide compound. Second one is in the presence of thionyl chloride. Using amide we have prepared cyano compound. Third one is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent react with cyanogen chloride to form alkyl cyanide. The reaction is given and we have prepared cyano compound. From aldoxymes. When aldoxymes are dehydrated with phosphorus pentoxide or acetic anhydride, alkyl cyanides are prepared. The reaction is given. Fifth one from diazonium salts. Aryl cyanides can be prepared by the action of benzene diazonium salts with sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide in the presence of copper powder or copper cyanide as a catalyst. Here we have used copper cyanide or copper powder as a catalyst and finally prepared cyano compound, that is phenyl cyanide. Sixth one is from amides and potassium and phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. When amides are heated in the presence of PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, alkyl cyanides are formed. In the presence of phosphorus pentachloride, when we heated the amides, the cyanides are formed that you can see here. Now let's start application of cyano compounds. The applications are given as acetonitriles are used as solvent. We have already discussed that the organic cyano compounds are called nitriles. Now acetonitriles used as solvent in many reactions. Acetonitriles is used for making the nitrile fiber rubber, and polynitrile has an important role in cloth industries. Third one is alkyl cyanides provide a useful method for stepping up the homologous series. And the last one, these compounds work like an intermediate compound in organic synthesis and easily change to amines, amides, carboxylic acid, lactones, aldehydes and esters. That is about the cyano compound. The video tutorial has been completed. Stay connected with us.